Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. If you're new here, hello. Smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Well, kinda every single week, so I have to apologize for being MIA the past couple of weeks. As some of you may know if you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, by the way, add me. Instagram is at Epic Confections and Facebook is Sugar Dessert Bar Aurelia. Follow me, thank you. So as some of you may know, James and I opened our own home bakery last month and it's been going really, really well. The love and support has been amazing. It's been crazy busy. So I'm finding it difficult to run the home bakery and to shoot videos. I'm trying my best though, so I am trying to get content out to you guys because I love you and you guys have been here and you guys have shown me love and support for the past couple of years and I don't want to disappoint you. So that is why I'm here. This week I decided I want to show you guys how to make those trendy hot chocolate bombs. So let's do it. Let's do it to it, shall we? Yo! So to start, I ordered these chocolate molds off of Amazon Prime. They came as a 3-pack and they have 5 molds per mold. First things first, you want to make sure that your silicone molds are like crazy clean and dry. You don't want any kind of moisture in these molds or grease, so make sure that they are spotless. Next, I have a little Tupperware container full of my chocolate. Now this is dark chocolate. The reason why I'm using dark chocolate is when it sets up, it is a lot harder than regular milk chocolate. Milk chocolate, I find it melts really easily when you handle it. Dark chocolate, it stays nice and firm and it's easy to handle. I like to use a 70% cocoa chocolate. If you are doing these molds, really buy some good quality chocolate because I'm bougie, you know I'm gonna buy some good quality chocolate. Yeah, you'll just find the whole process goes a lot better, a lot smoother if you have a nice high quality chocolate. So make sure to get at least a 70% or higher cocoa content chocolate. Also, little tip, the higher the percentage, the easier it is to melt and you will get that nice runny kind of drip chocolate. If it's like a wafer chocolate, it doesn't really have that drip. So yeah. I'm gonna throw this in the microwave at 30-second intervals a few times until it's nice and melted, and then we'll get started on our bombs. Let's do it. So I just melted my chocolate, and it is a nice drippy chocolate. Look at that. Now, just a warning, these are tedious. They do take some time, so have some patience, but they are fun to make. So I find the best way to do this is to take a spoon and I'm just going to spoon in 2 spoonfuls per mold. And with the back of the spoon, I'm just gonna push that chocolate all the way up to the top of the rim, making sure to cover the entire mold. And I'm just gonna carry on 2 scoops per mold, or 2 scoops per half sphere. And again, just using the back of my spoon and just gingerly pushing that chocolate right up to the brim, making sure the entire thing is covered nicely. And I'm just gonna carry on and do all 15 of these. So either you can just sit there and watch me do this, or I can fast forward, or I can show you some cat videos. I can sing for you. How about all 3? The hills are alive with the sound of music. No? Let's fast forward a little. Are you guys having fun watching me? Like I said, it's a little tedious, but they really are a cute treat for anybody. And you know what? They're perfect for the holidays, so I'm glad I'm getting this video out to y'all. How are you guys doing, by the way? Leave a comment below. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. I am not a political person, but I have to say, I am so happy that Miss Kamala Harris is in that White House. It's about time, that's all I have to say. Alright, so once your chocolate is all in your mold, you want these to set up really, really nice and firm in the fridge. So I'm going to throw these into the fridge for a good 15 minutes. You can also throw them in the freezer if you want the process to go a little quicker. Yeah, so we'll see you back in a little bit. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. I just took these guys out of the fridge. They're nice and firmed up. Don't break them. You are going to notice that inside is somewhat lumpy. Don't worry about that because on the outside, it's going to be nice and smooth and shiny. So the next step is I'm going to put in another coat of chocolate, but I'm only going to put in 1 scoop with my spoon. And again, just using the back of my spoon and making sure that everything is covered right up to the top of the mold. And again, I'm going to continue on and do all of these little half sphere molds. And then stick it back in the fridge for another 15-20 minutes. You do go through a lot of chocolate, so when you are purchasing chocolate, buy a lot of it. Just buy a lot. Alright, these molds are done. I'm going to throw them back into the fridge for another 15-20 minutes. Really let these guys set, and then we're going to pop them out, and we're going to assemble them. Let's do it! Alright, so it's been about 20-25 minutes, and I just took these guys out of the fridge. Again, they're nice and firm. Here I have a nice clean tray that we're going to set these on. And here I have a few latex gloves. You ready for your checkup? Bend over. So the reason why I'm using gloves is chocolate is very sensitive and you can get fingerprints on it really, really easily, and that is a huge pet peeve of mine. I've been into bakeries where I will look at a chocolate product, like an enamel bar, and I'll see a fingerprint on the top of it, and it's such a turn off. Anyway, one of my pet peeves. So what I'm going to do is just take my chocolate mold, and I'm going to press just with 2 fingers on the bottom of it, and just gingerly push it up. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at how shiny it is. Love it. So next I'm just taking a regular dinner plate, a small one. You can use any plate you have. I'm going to warm this up in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then we're going to start assembling these bombs. So here I have some hot chocolate, Carnation, my favorite, hashtag not sponsored. And I have some marshmallows. So the reason why we warmed up this plate is because we're gonna take 1/2 a sphere, flip it over, place it onto the warm plate, and remove it. And I'm going to place it back on my dish. What that does is melt any imperfections on the sphere so that you have a nice even surface. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate. I'm gonna put it up here for you so you can see it. And then just a handful of marshmallows. You can stuff this with anything, honestly. Marshmallows, you can put crushed candy cane in there for that peppermint taste. A couple shots of Bailey's. Nobody would ever know. So then you're gonna take another half sphere and just put it upside down. Let it melt for just a moment until you have a nice clean surface, and you're just gonna stick that right on there. And you're just gonna let those 2 halves bond really nicely and set up. You can throw it into the fridge for 5 minutes and then decorate them, and that's it. And I'm gonna show you how I decorate mine. So here's my little chocolate ball, and how I decorate mine is actually quite simple. I take a little bit of chocolate and I just drizzle it all on top, just like that. Nice even lines. And here I have a little bit of gold luster dust and vodka. Just taking a paintbrush, and I'm just gonna splatter it all over the top of that bomb. and it gives it a really nice, elegant look. And when you put that hot chocolate bomb into your mug and pour hot milk on top of it, all that gold luster dust kind of rises to the top, and you have a nice surface of gold luster dust, and it's really, really pretty. Great for the holidays. So how I individually wrap these, I take a gold cupcake liner and I just place it in there. And then I'll take a little treat bag or a goodie bag that I bought at Michael's, place it right in there, tie it with a nice little ribbon, and there you have it. Nice little cute gift. If you are giving it as a gift, you can print out a little kind of instruction thing, just kind of letting people know to put it into a mug and then boil some milk and then pour it over and enjoy, right? Just kind of something simple and cute to do. But that's it, guys. That is how you make hot chocolate bombs. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I hope you're staying safe, stay healthy, wear a mask, and I'll see y'all next week. Mwah.